In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry photos using Canva AI. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry photos using Canva AI. Whether your image is slightly out of focus or just needs a clearer look, these tools can make a big difference while keeping your photo looking natural. First, open Canva. You can use the website or the desktop app. Both work the same for this. Once you're in, open your existing design or upload the photo you want to fix. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new design with a size that matches your photo or your final use, like a social post or a thumbnail. Drag your image onto the canvas so you can edit it. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. With the image selected, look at the top toolbar and click Edit Image. If you don't see it, double-check that the image is still selected. Now scroll through the editing panel and look for Enhance or Adjust. Depending on updates, these options might be grouped slightly differently, but they'll be in the image editing tools. Start with Sharpen or Auto Enhance. Auto Enhance is great for a quick fix because it applies smart adjustments in one go. If you want more control, use Sharpen and slide it gently. A little goes a long way. Pushing it too high can introduce halos or noise around edges, so aim for a cleaner, crisper look without harshness. While you're sharpening, it helps to zoom in to 100% to judge the true sharpness, then zoom back out to see how it feels overall. If your photo is very soft, sharpening can improve clarity, but it can't recreate missing detail. The goal is to enhance what's there without over-processing. Next, fine-tune the image by adjusting brightness, contrast, or clarity if needed. Increasing clarity adds micro-contrast that can make textures pop, while contrast can help define edges. If sharpening darkens the image slightly, bring up the brightness a touch. Make small, deliberate changes, and check how the entire image looks, not just one area. If skin tones start to look harsh, back off the sharpening or clarity to keep things natural. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've taken a blurry photo and made it cleaner, crisper, and more professional looking using Canva's AI-powered tools. And that's how you fix blurry photos using Canva AI. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for